In this video, we're going to show you how to use YouTube while using other apps. So if you've had any other streaming platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime, you know that if you just press the home screen, it's going to be minimized. You're going to have still the video that you're watching on those streaming platforms on a smaller screen, smaller box, right? For YouTube, you only get to do that if you have YouTube Premium. So even if you have YouTube Premium and it's not working, you need to do this. So go to settings and then select apps. After that, tap on YouTube. Then select picture in picture. So in picture in picture, you can toggle allow picture in picture to turn it on. Most of the time, if you have YouTube Premium, this is on. But if it's off, just tap on it to enable it and turn it on. And that's it. If you want to go back to the YouTube app, just double tap on the mini player to dismiss the video. Simply drag the player downward or just press the X button on the player. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell. I'll see you on the next one.